Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking that your Pixel runs a current Android build and the YouTube app is updated. This avoids unexpected behavior. Open the YouTube app and sign in if you want personalized playback controls. Find the video you plan to minimize and start playback so the controls appear. Once done, swipe up slightly to reveal gesture hints and the player controls. Make sure to note whether you have YouTube Premium or need a workaround for background play before proceeding. With playback active, open recent apps and enter split screen by long pressing the YouTube icon or tapping the split screen control. This pins YouTube to the top or side. Select a second app to occupy the other pane, then drag the divider toward the second app to shrink YouTube to a small, usable rectangle. Once done, you can interact with the second app while audio continues. Make sure to use gestures correctly, because Pixel navigation can change the split screen. Enable picture-in-picture in Settings Apps YouTube so that pressing home reduces the player to a floating window. You press home to trigger Pi-P, then drag the mini player to any corner and pinch or expand to resize. This frees the screen while keeping video visible. If that doesn't work, make sure YouTube has Pi-P permission and that battery optimization isn't restricting it. If issues persist, force stop the app or clear cache. That often fixes permission glitches and restores normal Pi-P behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.